Caterwaul is a verb that means to make a loud, wailing or screeching noise, often resembling the sound of a cat in distress. It can also be used as a noun to describe such a sound. Origins. The word dates back to the Middle English Caterwaulen, where cater refers to a cat and waul imitates its howling. It has been in use since the 14th century. Explanation and usage. Caterwaul is often used to describe harsh, unpleasant noises, whether made by animals, people or objects. It can also describe loud complaints or protests. Example sentences. The alley cats began to caterwaul in the middle of the night, keeping everyone awake. The protesters caterwauled against the new policy. The cultural significance. The term is frequently used in literature and journalism to describe discordant or exaggerated sounds, whether from animals, people, or even mechanical objects. Is synonyms: wail, a high-pitched, mournful cry; screech, a harsh, piercing sound; yowl, a loud, drawn-out cry, often from distress. Antonyms: croon, to sing or hum softly; murmur, a quiet, indistinct sound, harmonized to produce pleasing, balanced sounds. Key takeaway: Caterwaul captures the essence of loud, shrill, and often unpleasant noises, commonly associated with distress, complaint, or discord.